Here's a step-by-step guide on how to produce homemade cornstarch from fresh corn. Homemade cornstarch. Step-by-step guide. What you'll need. Fresh corn 4 to 6 ears or 3 to 4 cups of kernels. Blender. Cheesecloth or fine strainer. Large bowl. Spoon. Shallow tray or plate. Water. Optional. Mortar and pestle or spice grinder for final powder. Step 1. Remove corn kernels. Peel the husks off the corn. Using a knife, carefully cut the kernels off the cob. You need about 3 to 4 cups of kernels. Step 2. Blend the kernels. Put the kernels into a blender. Add enough clean water to just cover the kernels. Blend on high speed until it becomes a smooth liquid paste. Step 3. Strain the mixture. Place a cheesecloth or a fine mesh strainer over a large bowl. Pour the blended mixture through the strainer. Press or squeeze to extract as much liquid as possible. Discard or compost the fibrous solids left in the cloth. Step 4. Let it settle. Leave the strained liquid in the bowl undisturbed for 2 to 4 hours or overnight. Over time, a white layer of starch will settle at the bottom. 5. Remove excess water. Carefully pour off the water from the top without disturbing the settled starch. Use a spoon or tilt the bowl slowly. Step 6. Dry the cornstarch. Spread the thick, white starch paste onto a tray, plate, or parchment paper. Let it air dry in the sun or dry it in a low-heat oven around 120 to 150 degrees Fahrenheit or 50 to 65 degrees Celsius. This can take several hours or more, depending on conditions. Step 7. Grind and store. Once fully dry and crisp, break the starch into pieces. Grind it into a fine powder using a mortar and pestle or spice grinder optional. Store your homemade cornstarch in a dry, airtight container. Tips. Only use fresh corn, not canned or frozen. Make sure everything is very clean to avoid mold during drying. Subscribe to our channel for more.